Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically track an object using the keyframe feature in CapCut PC. So for instance, I want to track her face. I'll just, well, first I need to zoom into the video. Go to text, add in default text. I'm not going to do it till the end because I know it's going to take forever. So I'll just show you like maybe around 5 to 10 seconds. So on the text, press O or like a dot, and I'm just going to place wherever the middle is. So here, and I'll just lock it. Just going to zoom it in a little bit more. Add in keyframes, and bit by bit, you're just going to move your video to where that O is at all times. So you're going to move with the keyframe here, and it's going to be added, so you don't need to worry about adding the keyframe again. So just place her head or whatever part you want to track in that circle. And that's pretty much it, really. It's as simple as that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Also, obviously, you're going to make the O invisible. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!